Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another interesting video of this module. So this video will actually be seeing how you can basically find the product of pair of the adjacent elements. And in that you have to basically find the largest product of the adjacent elements and you have to return the product at the end. So let me just demonstrate you quickly that what exactly are we going to be doing. So let's just take an example. Like this is the array of the numbers. We have 6 elements in that, 2, 5, 3, 4, 6, 7, right? So now we have to find the product of each of the pair of the elements, but it should be only neighboring elements. So we can make 5 pairs out of that. So first one can be 2 and 5, second one can be 5 and 3, third one can be 3 and 4, fourth one can be 4 and 6, and the fifth one can be 6 and 7. So we can only make 5 pairs out of that because we are only allowed to make the pairs with the adjacent or neighboring elements, right? So now in the code, we'll actually be seeing like what will be the maximum product of these pairs. So if you can see 5 into 2 is 10. So we can write 10 over here. 5 multiplied by 3, the second pair product is 15. And 3 and 4, third pair product is 12. And 4 and 6, fourth pair product is 24. And the last pair product is 6, 7, 42. Alright, so the maximum product we found is 42. So this exactly your code is going to do. It's going to find the maximum product pair in the following array. And it's going to basically multiply those values and give the output of these values in the following array that we'll be providing as an input in our code. So let's just see how exactly our code is going to be for this particular problem. All right, so this is going to be the line of code for that. This is just a 3-step code. It's very easy. So first of all, we have the function definition. So as you guys can see, we have defined a function as max adjacent product. So max adjacent product, why we named it as that? Because first of all, it will find the maximum adjacent product in the following array. And so we have defined the max product as float minus infinity. So why we have put minus infinity over here? That is really important to understand as well. Because this is done to ensure that any valid product of adjacent elements in the array will be greater than its initial value. Alright, so this is just to ensure that whatever product of the maximum value we'll find, it should be greater than its actual value, right? So that is actually quite obvious. So now our second step is basically a loop to calculate products. So we have input a for loop over here. This will keep on multiplying like each of the adjacent pairs in the array, and at the end, whoever will be the maximum product, so that value will basically make it proceed further, all right? So then it will return the max product as I told you guys now. So then we have the input array of integers. This particular code over here, this will basically take the input value from the user. So as you can see where it will ask to enter an array of integers separated by the spaces. So over here we'll be putting our input or like the following array that we want the code to find the maximum product of the adjacent elements in that, and then at the end it will basically display the result for us accordingly. So now let's just go ahead and try to run this code and just see like how it's gonna work. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hit run. Alright, so as you guys can see over here, it's first of all asking you to enter an array of integers separated by the spaces. So let's not go with an example that we just did before. Let's just put a random array, okay? So I'm just gonna put like 5, 4, 9, 8, 4 again, 6, 2, 1. Let's just go with that. We have like more number of elements in this array and we have like the maximum values in that as well. So let's just hit enter and see like what it's gonna do now. All right, so it's saying the largest product of the adjacent elements is 72. Like how this is gonna be 72? Let me just explain this to you guys. So as you guys can see, 5 and 4 product is 20. So 20 is not like maximum product in this array. So these are basically the maximum values, 9 and 8, right? So 9 and 8 product is 72. These were basically the elements like the neighboring elements, and its product was the maximum in the following array. So it's saying the largest product of the adjacent elements is 72. So this is exactly how our code is gonna work, and this is how exactly this is gonna give values for the given problem. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, bye bye.